Hi guys, it's Marissa here from risehigh Financial Solutions. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be talking about extensions and renovations. Deciding to renovate and extend your home is such an exciting time because it's obviously a decision that you make because you love where you live, but you really want that extra bit of space, so you want to update your home, and it can be so much fun choosing all the fixtures and fittings and designing your new space. But there are a few things that you need to sort out before you can get to the fun parts of working out how your home is going to be long term. So the first step is really understanding your borrowing capacity. So what you want to do here is you want to sit down with your mortgage broker, preferably one from risehigh Financial Solutions. Make sure that you go over your income and expenses and your assets and liabilities. What this is going to do is this is going to enable you to understand how much you can actually borrow to help support your extension and renovation. They're going to look at your borrowing capacity from your income perspective, but also look at whether you've got any equity available in your current home that you can access to help fund your renovations. If you're a little bit short on equity, one of the things that you can do is you can actually get a valuation done on the property as if the extension is complete. This might give you the extra equity that you need to be able to do your dream renovation and extension just the way you want it. Now, if it's going to be a small renovation that perhaps you're going to project manage yourself, then what you really want to do is you want to get a little equity release against your home where you've got a little pool of money that's sitting there that you can actively manage as you employ your subcontractors and your trades. If it's a substantial renovation that requires structural improvements and that's over $100,000, then many banks will want to see you enter into a fixed price building contract with a licensed builder. If you do this, it's likely there's going to be progress payment stages where the bank will actually pay the builder directly as the builder progresses to certain milestones. Either way, the best thing to do is to plan it out. Sit down with a mortgage broker who's experienced with renovation and extension. They will be able to help plan it out for you to make sure that you've got enough money to have your dream home and that the timing of the payments work out perfectly for you. Just a word of caution, always when you're doing a renovation or extension or building a house for that matter, there are often delays and extra costs that we don't factor in at the beginning. So I always say it's really great to leave a buffer. Make sure that you've got a buffer of money, and I say, leave about 15% of your construction costs, your extension renovation costs, so that you've actually got some surplus funds there in the case that something goes wrong or there are unexpected costs along the way. Also, you need a bit of a buffer to make sure that if the project is delayed, if it takes longer than expected, that you've still got sufficient cash flow to make sure that you're meeting your interest and repayment obligations during the build period. Plus, if you're currently renting or if you're having to rent another house during the construction or the home improvements, then you're going to need to factor in the fact that that rental period might be longer than what you would have liked at the beginning. So there you have it. There are some tips to help you get on your way with your home improvements and renovations. Good luck with it. I hope you end up with the home of your dreams, and we would love to help you. So if you want to nut out the figures with us or look at ways you can make it work, get in touch with the team at risehigh Financial Solutions. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.